And when I joined and I did your workshop, like, it was mind blowing, and I was so happy that I got there, and I came in contact with you people, and I was so happy doing it. And like, it's like a start from me. My confidence was just in the first workshop only. I got so much of confidence. No, I can do it. I have to do this, and it was so positive for me. After that, that one day workshop was. It had a great impact on me, and I was so happy. I told my husband, I'm going to do it, the entire course, whatever I'm going to do with mom and sir, and I'm going to start my career now again. Like, in every way, I've learned so many things. I think जो मैंने अपने college में भी I never learned. I mean, nobody taught me. It's so small. And ma'am, you are just brilliant is a small word for you, ma'am. And like, काश मुझे ऐसे टीचर्स तब मिलते कॉलेज के टाइम में, तो I think it would have been a drastic change for me. Even ma'am has got so much of knowledge. Like, you just ask one topic and she's to like A to Z everything about it. It's like, just have to trigger her. And so no need to open the book also. Just keep listening to her. You thorough with that topic single.
इसके पहले 10 और 12 पेशेंट करती थी. नाउ आई कैन सी 20 पेशेंट्स, और मैंने वो पार कर लिया है. ना कि पेशेंट का रेशियो, बट इन टर्म्स ऑफ मेरा कलेक्शन सो डबल्ड.
I have gone through many courses where they are teaching many techniques and all. But the management part, I have not gone through any single course that they are teaching the branding and management. The other courses are like they are very vague. Like ये होगा बस, बाकी ऐसा डिटेल में कोई ऐसा बताता नहीं. The learnings they have got not only on the college from all the courses, I don't think that may match up with what I have learned from all these years or from this course. And thank you, sir, for your guidance.
So thank you. Bye bye. Good night. And wish you all the best.
Wishes to all of you. Thank you.